Namaste everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be breaking down your Trikonasana or your triangle pose. So Trikunasana is usually part of your flow or warrior flow series. And it's a lot of leg work. And also what I like about it is not only does it strengthen your legs, but also gives the hammies and the hips a good stretch. And I sometimes feel those clickety clacks whenever I hinge forward. And that's what I like about it. It's like this is a release after. And also, depending on the arm variation, which I will show you later, it's going to also open up your chest and your shoulders. So in our Trikonasana, we usually have our legs very wide. Okay, so make sure that the heels are aligned. And then I'm going to turn my right foot out to the side, facing the front or the short edge of the mat. Your left foot is gonna come out at an angle. So usually this is like your warrior legs. It's the same thing because you usually come to Trikonasana from warrior 2 depending on how your flow is for the day. And I want your feet super firmly planted onto the mat. So ground your finger pads, ground your heels, your soles of your feet, ground it all there. So you have to be super stable there. And then your hands reach out to either side. So your hands are very strong. They're like spears, okay? And then your legs are engaged, okay? Feel as if you're squeezing something in between your legs, right? Okay, so now from here, you're gonna hinge forward. So you see your hips are hinging back, and I'm reaching forward. And then my hand is gonna go down on the mat. My fingertips are on the mat. Some can come down to their palms, but I'm gonna keep it just until my fingertips so that I do not compensate on the alignment. Or you can also place your hand on your ankle or on your shin. If you want to, you can get a block, place the block here, and place your hand on top of the block. So I'm just gonna come up to my fingertips. My left hand is gonna reach up and I'm gonna look up if that's comfortable for my neck. Otherwise, I can just look forward. Hello. So from here, take note of the torso. Sometimes we find our torso facing down on the mat. What we want to, if we want to open up our shoulders, we want to feel as if we're leaning towards an imaginary wall. So from here, inhale, exhale, lean back. You're gonna feel this here and on your chest, and when you reach up, it's gonna feel super duper awesome. Legs are still super engaged. Now from here, we usually stay here for 3 breaths. Now to come out of the flow, I'm going to rebend my leg and come up. Warrior 2. And then to come to the other side, my right foot is going to turn in, left toes turn out. Let's do the other side so both sides are even. Straighten both legs, hinge forward, and then up. Remember, open up, lean towards that imaginary wall. Legs are strong. Oh my gosh, I feel this on my hamstrings. Now rebend, warrior 2. And then come back to your mountain pose. Now I'm going to do several variations of our triangle pose. So from here, I'm going to come to my triangle, heel to heel alignment, hinging forward, hand down, left hand reaches up. I can take my half bind, so my left hand is going to go over and around. I can place my left hand at the back here, over here in my low back. Or if I have it, I can just reach further and grab my right thigh. And if I want to further work on my legs, my right hand reaches forward. Another option is our bound triangle, where we take the full bind. So my right hand is going to go through and under my right leg and reach for my left hand. If my hands do not touch, I can just grab onto a strap or a towel. Lean back and look up. I hope this helps you with your yoga practice. Remember, go at your own pace and do not forget to breathe. Thank you, everyone, and I'll see you all next week.